intricately made and intricately made the digital experience. And so today I'm going to show you how to edit your animated invitation mockup. You've created it and the invitation mockup, and you want to know how you can display it to your customers so that you can promote it on social media. So you're going to press upload files. And once you press upload files, you choose your image and press open. The image you're choosing is what you have already designed for your animated invitation. If you don't have a file, go on our website to get the file because we do sell that as well. And then once you select it, you'll press the word open. But I'm going to press cancel because I have already uploaded it to Canva. Once it's uploaded, you select your image that you want in here. I'm going to squinch it down by using my four corners. And I'm just going to drag and drop it. It's as easy as that inside of Canva. I'm going to select it again because now I'm on the laptop and I'm going to drag and drop it. And of course, if you want to maneuver it around, just double click on it. It's going to open up. And I'm going to pull it down a little bit because this is all I care for them to see. I'm going to press done. Come out of it. I'm going to select my image again. And now I'm going to squinch down by using my four corners. And I'm going to drag and drop it into that phone. And that's it. That's all. And so right now you can download, you can change this if you don't, if you wanted to say something else, just double click in on it and you can type right in there whatever you would like it to say. You can say that it's an animated MP4 invitation. Because you wouldn't necessarily say it's editable because you're not selling a template, I don't guess. Maybe you're just showing the invitation is animated and that you're selling it. So maybe, whatever you want to put in there, put in there. And so now it's time for us to download it, right? So we're going to press, nope, let me go take a step further back. So right here, whatever text you decide to write, you can select it and you can change it. But if you notice at the top, I chose typewriter, which is what I usually choose for my text. You can select it and you can choose a different option if you would like to. But I usually do typewriter. Right now, I got it on both when it needs to animate, which means the text we're going to animate it is going to be animated on both the entrance and exit of that. Okay. Down here, the writing style, you can choose each character, or you can choose the actual word to be animated. Meaning it's going to take that whole word. So like the word editable, it's going to choose the whole word. But if I do character, it's going to take each individual letter. Now I'm going to select the tablet. If you go up here, it says tumble, right? But if you select it, I can change how it is animated. Right now it's on tumble. It's on both to animated versus, let me see. It's on animate to animate both on entrance and exit. So, but you can change it. I can change it to Tectonic. I can change it to Drift. Remember, we're looking at our tablet on the left hand side. I can change it to Baseline. I can change it to Breathe. Whatever you decide to choose. I think I'm going to put it back on Tumble though. And because I chose Tumble to animate it, you could choose if you wanted to animate just on the entrance, just on the exit, or both. I'm going to choose both and I'm going to get off of it. I'm going to choose the little phone on the right hand side. Right now it's on drift. I can select it and I can choose any of these animated options. But for drift, there is for the direction, that's the only thing you can change. As far as the coming in on left, right, upward, downward, that's what you can choose. And now you can press the play so you can see what it will look like. Okay. I'm going to press close. Now it's ready for you to download. There's two options. You can press share, download. Where it says file type, we're going to change that to PNG. Once you change it to PNG and you press download, and you save it on your computer, now you're ready to share it on social media. Now you're ready to advertise it. Hey, I can do your MP4 invitations. Your MP4 invitations you can send out via text. You can put it in your Facebook groups. The client can create an event page for it. So there's many things you can do with an MP4 invitation. The other option is for file type. We can do an MP4. An MP4 will be the animated version, and we can press download. If you want music, this is a bonus. Type up here. Let me type football. Nope. Make sure you're on Elements and type in the word football. And press enter. Because maybe you want some music playing in the background. I don't know. If you go to audio, you can choose one of these. You can listen to it, of course, by pressing the play button next to each one. But just be sure that if it's a crown next to it, that's a Canva Pro feature. If you want to see what's all that is free, you can press over here. And you can choose the option free. And now it will show you only the free ones. But of course, you can add music to it. Like for TikTok, I know I can add my music if I'm uploading it to TikTok. Once I upload it, of course, I can choose my music within TikTok. So, but that's an option, another option. But if you like the way the sound, it's you can just select it and drag and drop it into here. Now it's there. So what you can do is now press share, press download, and MP4 is what we're going to choose as a file type, and we're going to press download. So once you have it downloaded, guess what it's going to do? It's going to play that whistle blowing in the background for the duration of this. Okay, and then it always tell you how long that animation works for the sound. This is a 21-second sound, which is excellent because remember up here to the right, it said our animation was only 10 seconds. So a 21-second sound is perfect. And so now you can share it again on all your social media. You can promote it on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, your MP4, and you can let people know, hey, I know how to make an animated MP4 invitation. That's it. That's all. Thank you for joining me.